how to delete could not find this item. Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel HowToBrowser. In this video I'll walk you through the entire process step by step how to delete. It's a super easy process, so please follow along with me and watch the video until the very end because you don't want to miss any second. Also, if you're a new viewer, please subscribe to my YouTube channel because I post on this video. I upload content related to how to fix certain things that you may have difficulties solving that problem. So I'll create videos on how you can solve these problems or solve problems. So if that's interest for you, I would like to, if you don't mind, subscribe to this YouTube channel. Now, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So now, guys, you need a program called WinRAR. Download free and support. So go to this first website, and now please go to download WinRAR. So tab on download. And now please go to download WinRAR, and now what you need to do is to tab on save and just install the program. Now it's opening here, tab on yes, and now please tab on install, and now please tab on OK, and you just install the program. So why we need this program is because we have the capability of archiving or archivating, I guess that's what it's called, a file, and then we can delete this file that in this right moment I can't delete. Look, I'll demonstrate to you. Delete, and then it says here, okay, let me try again. Delete, and then this is showing up, could not find this item, this is no longer located in alpha desktop, verify its item location. Try again, not working. So what you need to do, guys, is to go right click and then go to delete, and no, actually, sorry, so what you need to do is to go to add to archive. So what you need to do is to go to add to archive, and now select R. So select R, and now please select delete files after archiving. Okay, and now it's creating an archive, as you can see, the one here. Just wait a couple of seconds, and now this file disappeared, and now all you need to do is to delete this, and that's it. You just deleted the file that couldn't be deleted. So that's how you do it, guys. That's how you do it. I hope this video helped you. If you did, please drop a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more how-to videos.